Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your DNS server to Google's own DNS server address on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your magnifying glass to search, so go ahead and left click on that. Type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. So you want to go ahead and select the network and internet. So on the right panel here, you want to go and scroll down and select change adapter options. Right click on wherever your adapter is in here and select properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 in parentheses TCP/IPv4 and select properties. At this point, go ahead and click inside the use the following DNS server address. Type 8 and then use your mouse, click in the second area here, type another 8, and then 2 more 8s after that, so 8.8.8.8. Don't type the dots, there are already dots in here. And then for the alternate DNS server address, you're going to do 8.8.4.4. Make sure you have it exactly how you see it on my screen here. Validate settings upon exit and select OK. Listen, if there was an issue, you could always go back to automatically detecting your settings. So you just would select obtain DNS server address automatically to undo that. But you probably do want to validate nonetheless. And once you're done with that, if you were to close out and then open up a web browser, you'll be using Google's DNS server address at this point. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.